Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to time out people in Discord Mobile. This powerful moderation tool allows you to temporarily restrict a user's ability to interact within your server. It's perfect for managing disruptive behavior without resorting to a full kick or ban. You have flexible options for the duration, ranging from a brief 60 seconds up to a full 7 days, giving you precise control over your server environment. First, open the Discord application on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the specific server where you need to apply a timeout. To access a user's moderation options, simply tap on their profile picture or their name within any chat message. This action will bring up their user profile card, which is your gateway to further moderation actions. Now that you're on the user's profile card, look for the 3 dots icon, usually located in the top right corner, and tap it. A menu will pop up with several options. From this list, you'll want to select the timeout option. After selecting, you'll be presented with various preset durations, allowing you to choose how long the user will be restricted. After choosing your desired duration, simply confirm your selection to apply the timeout. Once active, the user will be unable to send messages, react to messages, or join voice channels for the entire set period. If you need to end a timeout early, just follow these same steps again, and you'll find an option to remove timeout on their profile, restoring their full permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.